Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make orange peel powder at home and all the beauty benefits of orange peel. So stay tuned and watch me do this. To make this orange powder, I always like to wash my orange. So I'll add water into the bowl. I'll be adding some white vinegar. I will add the orange and allow it to soak before washing it. After soaking the orange for about 2 minutes, I'll wash the orange. You can decide to rinse the orange after washing. When I'm done washing the orange, I will dry the orange with paper towel. To get the orange zest or orange peel, you can use peeler, knife or grater. So I'm going to use a peeler to peel to get the orange peels. Get the orange peels. You can also use grater. And I noticed that using the grater, the orange peels dries faster. When I'm done peeling the orange, you can spray out the orange peels on a tray and allow to dry. After about 4 days, the orange peel has dried. Then I'll add the orange peel into the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending the orange peel, I will set aside and repeat the same process until I'm done blending all the orange peels. With a strainer, sieve to get the orange powder and also to remove any chunks. Orange peel powder is a natural herb powder for beautiful skin. It has high concentration of vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. Peel powder can be used for the skin because orange contains vitamin C, which will help to form collagen. It will make your skin to look younger and brighten your skin. You can also use orange peel powder to make facial mask. You can add it to your soap, homemade soap. You can also use it to make your orange oil. Finally, the orange peel powder is ready. You can use this for beauty treatment for your hair or skin. And make sure that you store this in airtight container. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your orange peel powder at home. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.